Now let's move to exercise C. Read the sentences. What do the words in bold all have in common? 1. He was too busy to go out. 2. James wants to become an engineer. 3. They went to the exhibition to see the latest inventions. 4. Janie was very happy to finish university this year. So guys, what are common in these sentences? To go, to become, to see, to finish. So, yes, great. To plus infinitive, which means full infinitives. So they are all full infinitives. Match the sentences in C with the uses of the full infinitive below. He was too busy to go out, so we use full infinitive after. Yes, words like to and enough. James wants to become an engineer. Yes, after certain verbs and phrases. They went to the exhibition to see the latest inventions. So here I use it to express purpose. Why did they go to exhibition? To see the latest inventions. Janie was very happy to finish university this year after adjectives such as afraid, happy, glad, sad. Okay, let's move to exercise E. Read these sentences and underline the bare infinitive. Bare infinitive, as I told you, the infinitive without preceding by to. She must go seminar on language teaching. Do. Can't decide. Yes. Go. Perfect. Say the last one. Okay. Yes. D. We have better D. Okay. Great. Good students. Okay, so here guys, we use bare infinitives after bare infinitive. When I say must do, after models, yes, great. Or can decide models. So here we use bare infinitives after modal verbs. And the phrases after would rather or had better. Would rather, had better, we use after them bare infinitive, which means that infinitive without to, infinitive only. Would rather and had better. Read the sentences and underline the gerund and full infinitives. A. Scientists have begun to research new ways of communication. To research. This is full infinitive. Yes, great. Scientists have begun researching. So this is gerund. Gerund, it means ing. The teacher stopped to write. Yes, great. Stop to write. This is full infinitive. The teacher stopped writing. Yeah, gerund. ing gerund. Yes, amazing. Okay. Scientists have begun to research new ways of communication. Scientists have begun researching new ways of communication. Number B, the teacher stopped to write or the teacher stopped writing. So, in which sentence the meaning stays the same? Yes, great. Sentence A. The teacher stopped to write. It means the teacher stopped to write on the board. Now he wrote, for example, on a smart board. But when I say the teacher stopped writing on the board, he stopped writing at all. He didn't write anymore, neither on the board nor on the smart board or anything. He stopped writing. Okay? So here there are changes in meaning. Next, look at full infinitive and gerund in bold in these sentences and answer the questions below. Sam remembered calling his professor. Sam remembered to call his professor. In which sentence did Sam first remember something and then an event happened? So when I say he remembered calling his professor or Sam remembered to call. So first of all, he remembered to call his professor, then he called him. Okay? Number two, remember an event after it happened. When I say Sam remembered calling his professor, so Sam called his professor yesterday, and today he remembered calling him yesterday. Okay, so he remembered after the event happened. But here, when I say Sam remembered to call his professor, he remembered firstly to call him, then he called. But remembered calling, it means he called him yesterday, and today he remembered calling his professor. Okay? For example, once you say, I remembered to call Miss Marwa, to call Miss Marwa. So, you remembered to call me, after you remembered, you called me. But once you say, I remembered calling Miss Marwa. So you called me yesterday and you remembered calling me. Okay? So you did the action in gerund, ing. Okay, next. Would you like? Yes. To go, would you like is followed by full infinitive. To a school that doesn't expect students, expect to be in class all day. What students wouldn't enjoy? Enjoy attending such a school if it existed. Well, at Southern Cross School near South Africa's famous Kruger National Park, you can, after can, you can do infinitive, bare infinitive. Teacher, you can do just that. Teachers and children spend time in nature, spend time looking, yes, for things that can be used to study. Can be used is followed by full infinitive. To study anything from math and science to language. For example, young students learn how to count by, yes, after preposition we add ing, counting how many different animals come to drink water during the night. Students can help, after can't help, yes, becoming involved in their lessons. The school aims, yeah, to teach. Aims to teach the student aims to teach students the importance of caring. Yes, after preposition we add ing. Caring for the natural environment, and the school's motto is Southern Cross is the school for the planet. Exercise K, circle the correct words. Some students can afford. So after can't afford, we use what? Yes, perfect. We use full infinitive. So can afford to go. I don't like feel. I don't feel like studying. Yes, after like we add ing. Jason was glad. We said after glad or happy. Yes, we add full infinitive to learn. She had better. Yes, get their infinitive. It's no use. Yeah, staying. So after use we add ing. Teachers should be prepared. Huh? Once you prepared, yes, to answer. Full infinitive. The children are too young, as I told you, after to and enough, we add full infinitive to attend. Is she interested in? After preposition, we add ing, training. Okay? So I hope that you understand our lesson today about gerund and infinitive. Thank you guys. I hope that you answer the questions in the booklets, and I will correct these questions for you. Don't worry. See you next video. Bye bye.